If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Okay, sir. Please, let's get to meet you, sir. Your names?
Okay. Honorable Hon Onyedika Osakwe.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, why are you here today, sir?
It's a thing of joy because our friend Martin is launching his books.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, how often do you see people launch books around this place?
This is a place of convenience. In fact, it is convivial and inclusive.
Okay. Okay.
And it has a kind of a glamour that harbors hospitality industry and some waves.
Okay.
So this is a place where people can come and relax and have whatever they want in life.
Okay. Okay. So, I was looking at the fact that how do you look at the reading culture in our society today? How good is that, or how popular is it for one to be reading in this part of the society?
To be learned is a very good one. Because this time around, our people have graduated from formal education.
Okay.
Normally want to get rich quick, and they always adhere in what we give them.
Okay.
But when you train your children, you inculcate good virtues in them. When they grow up, they will not depart from that, and they will be a possible president.
Okay. Okay. So, what message are you going to leave for Nigerians? Now you have attended this book event, and the book is Hip Hop and Igbo Culture. What is it suggesting to you?
Everything starts from grassroots.
Okay.
Now that the nation is battling some economic crunch, I hope that everybody will live up to expectation and contribute this or our own quota. Okay. Because the government cannot do it alone.
Okay.
The government has a lot of challenges, insurgencies and every other thing. It is we people that can inculcate good virtues so that they will be of
So hip hop and Igbo culture, what does it suggest to you?
Really going back to our culture. Some people are now leaving Igbos to go into extinction.
Okay.
Every time you've been in the school, they're speaking English and otherwise, not teaching our children our real tongue. And it's an aberration. We're supposed to, make everything to balance.
Okay.
So that our children will even know their roots, not even emulating foreign
customs
that they can't even uphold on.
Okay.
Because they just do it haphazardly. That foreign culture.
Okay.
The Europeans have their own culture, but we always like to emulate them and live in our own. I'm in support of what you do.
Okay.
To inculcate certain virtues that has been left behind.
Yes.
So that people will know that this is what they are doing.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for speaking with us, sir. Sabiko, let's get to meet your names.
Okay, I'm Honorable Basi.
Okay.
AKA Authority is More Than Power.
Oh, authority is more than power. I've been hearing from you. You write us in the morning most times, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, how do you see this concept of launching a book?
Sure, it was a very nice thing, and as fans of Ebonadi, and
Martin,
Yeah.
in particular,
Yeah.
is one of my friends.
Okay.
So I'm happy
Okay.
coming for the launching of
The book itself. Okay. But how often do you see people launch book in this part of the world? Do we have a very good reading culture in this part of the world?
Of course.
Okay.
It's a very nice thing.
Okay. Okay.
If people like Martins and other people that wrote book,
Yeah.
we continue like this.
Okay.
At least people, our youth, will read from them.
Okay.
It's a very nice thing.
Okay, it's a very nice thing then. Okay, so but the book itself, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, is the title. What does it suggest to you, sir?
Sure, it will also help our youth
Okay.
to forge ahead in the society of today.
Okay. So now, what message are you going to give to Nigerians today as we suffer most of the things that we are looking at, like the cost of fuel subsidy removal, what it is causing to our society? What message do you have to Nigerians today?
My message is that every Nigerian should wake up.
Okay.
Mostly a subsidy that puts us into this menace of hunger.
Yeah.
Hunger.
Yeah.
And also contribute to insecurity because people are going into crime because of hunger.
Yeah.
They can go into crime. So I'm saying that every Nigerian should wake up and go back to farming.
Okay.
And that's the way to help solve the problem.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking with us, sir.
It's all right.
Ladies and gentlemen, DADDYSON in the house. Happiness, all about the paper. Alizimoka, hydrogen, carbon, Aloba, the Cafanet, and Camuron, Dimbuna, Corapas, happiness, as you know, I'm the G. But I know the one that all the guys where you see. When you enjoy yourself, mind your business on the low. You want the money, one name, and I will see. I'm making nothing working and one that we did all of us. Happiness, when you believe good, make a crossover. The FIFA neighbor, happiness, not talk and sugar up the sky. When they overall the weather, when they under blues, man. Why don't you so? I want to giving out whatever got me. I want to do no more pepper to pump and sell so much of the M supportion. I only with a dodge. Whatever that is over phone that is supposed to have. I think it's never been continue to from we are to do what the winter to and for me over Papa. Let the cat for winning the winner is winning. I mean, your winner is man. The ass is right. I can't take that. You know, me, I see the problem. You know, let's get us. Can you dig this? Can you dig this? Can you dig it? Can you dig this? Yes, sir. Go on. Go it up. Hey, want to go. Get up, Gen Mix. It is what it is. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, DADDYSON in the building. Thank you so much. And we're still here, you know, let's put up.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.